Hi everyone, this is Oluwadamilare Akerewisi. I am so super excited to welcome you into this edition of Smartphone Graphic Design. This is a free class and I will be showing you how you can come up with beautiful training flyer using your what? Using your smartphone. The application we'll be using for this design is called Canva mobile app. Canva mobile app. The very first thing you should know as a graphic designer, intending one, or you want to do a graphic design to be as a professional, or you want to do it to enhance your brand visibility and become competence of your brand online and offline, is that you don't just design. You must know the concept of what you want to design, and then you must go ahead at least sketch your concept of your design down. Before I made this beautiful design that you are seeing on the screen, let me show you my sketch for that design. Let me show you. This is it, how you can see it. I've already have what I want to design down. I've already sketched it out before making my design. So this will be a guide for me. It will guide me to make well aligned, well precise design for myself or for my customers. I hope you get what I'm saying. So what in this training, what you want to do is you want to make this design. And then at the same time, let me tell you this: in the advanced smartphone graphic design, it will hold for 7 days. I will be showing you places or things involved in making amazing, compelling, beautiful designs. Compelling design that attracts good clients to you. Yes, that's what I'm going to do for you. And then there are 5 processes in designing. Sketching and designing are just 2 out of them. I will be showing you the remaining in the advanced class. The advanced class will hold for 7 days. I will be showing you different ways on how to make different graphic designs. You'll be able to use your smartphone to do it by yourself successfully. So let's go. The first thing is to launch your browser. Using the we are using Canva mobile app. Canva mobile app, and then there are 2 versions. We have web version of Canva, which you can use that one on your browser. Maybe you are using Google Chrome and the likes. I hope you get what I'm saying. And then the second version is the app version that you can download it from Play Store and then make use of it. They serve the same purpose, and then make sure that your internet is you have a good internet. I hope you get what I'm saying. For you to actually enjoy Canva very well. Canva is a well designed website for designs, for any design. So once you know how to use it, so let me go straight to the point. Just enter www.canva.com. I hope you can see it up there. www.canva.com. So you see, and then it will open. So let's wait. So we make use of internet to design for this Canva application. Canva mobile app. Hope you can see it. The website is loading. So let's go straight to the point. Hope you can see plus down here. So click on that plus. At the top, you see custom size. At the top, at the left corner, you see custom size. I hope you can see it, custom size. You click on it, you know what you need to make the size of the flyer. So you want the kind of flyer that you want to design, we call it was square flyer design. So your weight is what, 3,200. You enter it, and then your height is 3,200. After that, you click on what, create new design. I hope you can see it, create new design. You click on create new design. Hope you are getting it. So you click on create new design. So you allow it to open. This Canva mobile app is well loaded. Seriously, there's a lot of information on Canva. Information. So you allow it to load, to open. You allow it. So you still load. You can see that template, upload, text, and all. So we go. We know their uses as we are making progress. As you are making progress, I hope you can see it. Beautiful designs. Hope you can see it. Beautiful designs. All the design made by developers, graphics professionals on Canva, so that you can make use of it, you can edit them. But as a professional graphic designer, you should be able to design by yourself. A good graphic design doesn't edit template. That is why you need to learn this. You need to learn this very well, so you'll be able to stand out. Sure, I hope you get what I'm saying. So we are not editing in this class. So we are going to do it from scratch. I will show you how to do it by yourself. So before we start, I want to upload that design that you want to do. So I want to upload it so that you can be, that's what we want to do. So without wasting our time. So that will be our guide in this class, to guide us in this class. Hope you can see it. So what I will do is that I will create another page for this one. I hope you get what I'm saying. I hope you can see it. It's there. So let's start. Let's start our design. So we'll be looking at it. I hope you get what I'm saying. And then I'll send you some resources that we want to use for this class. So we want to start now. So you click on the background. I hope you can see it. So when you click on it, you see replace down here. I hope you can see replace. So you click on that replace. Sorry. So you click on this replace. You want to this is the materials you want to use for the design. These three materials. Let me show you these three materials. That's what you want to use for this design. These three materials. That's what you use for this design. So let's start it. Let's start one after the other. Let's start one after the other. So what I want to do is I want to upload this. You just click on it. You click on this white texture. Yes. Let me go back. Let me show you how to get it from your gallery. I hope you get what I'm saying. After you have downloaded it, because I've sent it already. So let me go straight. So what you do is you click on upload. You see up here upload media. Hope you can see it here. Upload media. Hope you can see it. Upload media. So you click on it straight, so it will load. So it will load. I don't want to waste our time, so that is why. So you go to your gallery, you upload it. You go to your gallery, you upload it. So I have them here. Hope you can see them. So what I will do, I will just click on it, and then it will uploaded, because I have already have it on the on my upload media on Canva. So but I just show you. So what you need is just click on it, and then it will be uploaded. So let's just go back. Let's go back. Let's continue. So once it's here, you just click on it, and then you allow it to load. So we have it already here. So the next thing to do now, let's check the design that I want to make. Let's check what is the next thing to do. Okay, the next thing we want to do now is to bring the pattern. Let's go and bring the pattern. So let's go and bring that. What you need to do is to click on plus. You click on this plus button here. You click on it. I hope you are following. You click on this plus button here. Click on it. So this is the pattern that you want to use, but let me upload it directly, so for you to see it by yourself. So like I said, you click on upload media. You click on download. So you go to your gallery. Yes, locate your gallery. This is where I have it. Download. You have it in download. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So if you downloaded it from the source that I sent to you, so you have it in download. So you just click on it. This is the pattern. You click on it. So you allow it to load. So you allow it to load. Just be patient. It will load. Just be patient. It will load. Just give it time. So I'm doing this because I want you to get it. So don't think that maybe it's magic. So it's loading. I hope you can see it now. It's loading. So you just need good internet, and then you need patience. I hope you get something. As a graphic designer, one of the things that you require for you to actually become a professional is what you need. Patience is required. So you click on it, and then you have it. You have it on your page. I hope you can see it. The pattern is here. So what you need to do next is that you can rotate it. I hope you can see this. Let me show you how to rotate. I hope you can see it. This button that I circle. I hope you can see it. So that's the icon for rotation. So you rotate it. So I want to rotate it for purpose of what I want to use it for. I hope you get what I'm saying. So you can rotate it to your taste. Yes, it's good like this. So the next thing to do is that you can adjust it at the edge here. You can adjust it at the edge. I hope you are following. You can adjust it, and then at the edge here, let me show you the edge that I'm talking about. This is the edge that I'm talking about. Sorry, this is the edge that I'm talking about. I hope you can see that's the edge. So you can adjust it to your own taste. So based on what the design that I want to design for you. So I hope you can see it now. So if I want to adjust it more, I can still go ahead and do it, because there's something you want to bring out. You don't want it to change. I hope you are following. So it's okay like that. Let me check the. So because this is what you want to create, exactly this one. That's what you want to create. I hope you are following me. So the next thing. So you click on it, and then you drag it. you drag it. I hope you are following. So you drag it, you can what? You can adjust it. You can adjust it. Hope you can see it. So I've adjusted it. So then the next thing that I want to do is what? I want to bring the image. You click on plus to upload the image of the lady, that smiling lady. So you click on it and then you have it. Yes, we have it. You have it. This is it. So I hope you don't forget it. You want to adjust to what you want to do. I want to adjust the picture. I hope you still remember this edge. So you use it to adjust to your own taste. You have to make something that you have to design as a professional. So this is how it works. So yes, and then I will just click on it to drag it down here. Hope you can see it. Hope you can see it. So if you want to adjust it a little bit more to your own taste, you scroll here, you come to this notch. You come to this notch because you don't want to design as an amateur. You come to this notch. I hope you can see notch down here. Hope you can see notch down here. Where I circle, that's notch. So to make adjustments, so you click on it. Click on the notch. So I want to adjust it to the left. Click on the notch. It will adjust. Hope you can see it. Hope you can see it. It's moving gradually. Hope you can see it. I think I'm okay like that because there's a pattern that we are following. So let's go back to the design, the template. I hope you can see it. So the next thing to do for us is to what? Is to type. The next thing to do is to type. So let's go back to our design. So if you want to type, you click on this plus again. It's the plus. It's the plus. So you click on it again. I hope you can see it. So that's why I'm doing it one after the other. So for you to get it without having any challenges at all. So you want to make a text. So you see text down here. You see text down here. Hope you can see it. Text where I circled, that's text. So the next thing, you click on it. So the text will allow you to what? To type, and then so because I say the heading of the word of the design, you click on add heading. So when you click on text, it show you different what you have text, you have font here. How I'm saying you have different fonts. So but we are not in need of we want to do our own. So you click on add heading. Hope you can see it. Add heading. Hope you can see it. Add the heading. Add the heading. Add the heading. Thank you. Add the heading. So you click on it. So you just, like I said, you need to be patient. So and then when you have it here, you click on edit. I hope you can see edit down here. Edit down here. I hope you can see it. Edit. So you click on that edit. So let me click on edit. So I want to type graphics design graphic design. So after that, you enter and then come page. So this is it. And then to make your work perfect and well aligned, so let me show you the one that you want to replicate, the one I did before, the one that we are replicating. Let me show you. I hope you can see this one. I hope you can see it is well aligned. The top, the left side, everything is well aligned. So alignment is very important in designing. I hope you get what I'm saying. Alignment is very important. That is what can make your work look professional, look attractive. That is what can attract people to your brand. I hope you get what I'm saying. That is what can, you as a graphic designer, to have a good customer. They know what this guy he give you a perfect job and come to work designing. I hope you get what I'm saying. So I'm trying to say this so for you to know how it works. So is that so as a beginner? So let me show you something you need to do. So for your work to be aligned very well, so you click on plus. You will see elements. You click on elements. Down here, I hope you can see it. Elements. Elements. I hope you can see it. Circles on it. We need element is line. So you click on seeing one line to use, click on it. Click on it. That line, that straight line is straight. Yes, our line is here. Increase it. That you will see line style. You click on it. You can increase the weight of your line. So that will help us to actually know the alignment of if our work is aligned or not. That's what will help us to know. So you can increase the weight. So you click this to 10. You can increase it to 10. Yes, you can increase it to 10. So you click the X here to cancel this line style. Hope you are following. So once you follow this step one after the other, you don't have any challenge. So you take the line here and then you rotate the line. You rotate it. I've explained how to do that. You rotate the line, make it straight. So you bring the line. The line is not straight yet. I hope you can see it. So we have to increase it. It's not yet straight. The line is straight. So it will actually help us to know where we are working. So let's do it that way. It will touch the two edges. It will touch it. So I hope you can see it. Yeah. So you can duplicate that line too. You can duplicate that line. You can see duplicate here. Down here you see duplicate. Down here you see duplicate. I hope you can see it. Duplicate. So you click on it to duplicate the line. You want to use the line too for the alignment of others. So just adjust it like this, like I'm doing it. So you make it touch, make the line to touch each other. So we don't want our design to go outside the alignment. I hope you get what I'm saying. So that's what we are trying to achieve. So duplicate again, you click on duplicate. So you drag it down. Hope you are following. You drag it down. Hope you are getting it. So I hope you can see it. You can see it. So this will be our guide. So in order for our work not to be not to look unprofessional. So later when we finish designing, we can delete the line. I hope you get what I'm saying. So I'm doing this because of the new people who doesn't know how to make alignment, but it's very good for you. You can do it this way too. So you click on on your text. So you come down here, you see format. You see format, click on it. Hope you can see it, format. You see left side, click on it, left side. Yes, for you. So I hope you can see it. The text is well arranged, graphic design. So you try to bring it here. So let's leave it that way. So we can leave it that way. I hope you can see it. You can see adjust it. You can zoom itself. You can zoom the page. I hope you get what I'm saying. So you come down here, you come to nudge. I told you the other time, if you want to move any elements or any objects, so that is what you use, nudge. I explained to you this. I hope you can see it, nudge. So what you do is click on it. You want to adjust it to the left side, keep tapping this, and then it will be moving. I hope you can see it. So for our work to be aligned, so we must do a professional work. Yes, we must do a professional work. I hope you can see it. So the next thing we are going to do now is that you can see there's a space between graphics and design. So you want to adjust that space. So you come down here too, you will see spacing. Hope you can see it. You see it, spacing. So you click on it. Thank you, Jesus. So in the line spacing here, you can see line spacing. You try to adjust it. You can give it to type 1 here. Type 1 is okay. 1 is okay for us. Hope you can see it now. It's okay. I hope you can see it. Yes, our work is so it's beautiful. You can change the color. The color of the design that we're making is red. Is red. Yes, it's red. Let's look for red. Yes, the exact red that I use, it has code. Click on plus here. Let me go back. Color. So after I click color, I hope you can see plus here. So you can see where I circled. So you click on that plus to use the exact red that I use. So you can see it here. You can see code here, some code here. C42401. So the code of the one that I use is FF 0000. That's the one that I use. I hope you get what I'm saying. So that's it. Hope you can see it. Hope you can see it. Very beautiful, very bright color. So you need to use something that will attract people to use. So graphic design is very good. Once you know the process, once you know how to make use of it, it's very good to generate good lead for yourself. It's very good to make beautiful designs for flyers that for customers that they will appreciate. They will keep coming to you. So the next thing we want to use the font size that we use. The font that we use is League. That's the name of the font. League Gothic. That's the name of the font that I use. Go to font. I hope you can see font here. Let me show you. This font here. Font. So click on the font. So you locate it. Just this box here. Box chart here. Click on it. And then you type League. It will bring out the one that I use. The exact one that I use. League Gothic. So you see it. The exact one that this is it. League Gothic. So you click on it. That's the exact one that I use. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it there. Hope you can see it. Yes. So let's go to the font side. Font. You want to increase the font. I hope you can see where exactly you click on it. Font. What I use is it 450? Yes, I use 450. Yes, 450. I use 450. Click this to apply. Yes, that is what I use. I hope you can see it. Very bold. So the next thing that we want to do is boot camp. So what we are going to do next is very simple. You can duplicate this one. Yes, you can duplicate this one. Oh no, don't duplicate because it's subheading. So you click on the word plus button here. You click on plus button here. I hope you can see that. You click on it. You go to test. This is text down here. Hope you can see it. This is text down here. Hope you can see it. You have text down here. See it. Text where I circle dash text. You click on it. So hope you can see here. Add subheading. I hope you can see it. Add subheading. I hope you can see it. So you click on it. Subheading. That's what we want to use for the next test. So you click on what? Click on it. Edit. You edit. I've shown you how to do it. I've told you how to do it before. You edit. So you type boot camp 3.0. Yes, beautiful. So the next thing to do is that we want to give it font. The font size that I use is Brittany. That's the name of the font size that I use. You search it here. Brittany, so you can see it. Very beautiful font. There are thousands of fonts here on Canva that you can use to make beautiful design. This is it. Brittany. I hope you can see it. Hope you can see Hope you can see it. Bitten font. So you click on it. That is what I use. That is what I use for my design. Yes, it's applied. Hope you can see it. So the next thing is the font size. Is the font size. So you click on font size down here. So I use 206. I use 206. That's the font size that I use. 206. Hope you can see it. So the color that I use, you come to color. I use black color. So you click on black here. Click on black here. Cancel. I hope you can see it. So that is how I was able to achieve that. So like what I told you the other time, to adjust for alignment, come to notch. So you come to notch. So to adjust down based on what I did in that flyer. So I just to write 2 for the alignment. I hope you can see it. Our work is aligned. I hope you can see it now. I hope you can see it. We are making progress gradually. So the next thing, let me check the flyer. So the next thing we want to do, yes, with Oluwadamilare Akerewusi. So into Oluwadamilare Akerewusi. So that's the next thing that we want to do. So that's the next thing we want to do now. So what you do is just what? You just click on this bootcamp, duplicate it down here, click on duplicate. I hope you can see it. So you try to drag it down. Yes. So you change the font size. What I use Montserrat. So type it here, Montserrat. It will bring it out for you. It's nothing. So Montserrat. So Montserrat, you can use Montserrat Classic. So yes. So the next thing is to type edit, type the name there. With Oluwadamilare Akerewusi. Hope you are getting it one after the other. So you adjust. I've told you how to adjust. Hope you still remember. You adjust it like this here. So let's go to the font size. Font size is, I use 70. The font size that I use is 70. I use 70. So you can adjust it here. It's very simple to do, so just follow the instruction. It's very simple. Don't forget your nudge to make adjustments. I told you to align your work, to make your work professional. To make your work professional. Hope you are following. So it must be on the same level with others. Yes. So you're on the same level with others. So change the color to red. That is what I use. The color is red. You can see it's very beautiful. Red. So the next thing that we are going to do is to make our work beautiful. I hope you get what I'm saying. To make our work beautiful, what we do next is this. You can just to make our work beautiful. You can make use of this line, or you go and bring another line. So we need a line because we are following the pattern of the design. Yes, I put 2 lines there. Hope you get what I'm saying. So to beautify my work, yes, to beautify my work, to beautify the design. So let's do the same thing here. So you put so you can adjust it a little bit. You can increase the line. You can leave it that way. You can leave it like that. You can nudge it. You can nudge it forward to the top. You are following. So that is how I was able to achieve this. I hope you can see it. Yeah. I hope you can see it now. I hope you can see I hope you can see the one that I. Yes. So what's next to do? I want to adjust this because of the size, because we have things to write. So nudge to align our work, to make our work look professional. So nudge it. I hope you can see it. So this is what will beautify your work. This is what will beautify your work. This is what will beautify your work. So do the same thing to others. So patience is required in design. So hope you can see it. Hope you are following. So that is how I was able to make that beautiful design you are seeing there. Yes. The next thing that we want to do is that I want to type something, learn how to communicate more in short time using graphics. So that is what the next thing I want to do. So we just duplicate this text. So bring it down here. So edit. Learn how to communicate more in using your Learn how to communicate more. Learn how to communicate more. Learn how to communicate more in short time. In short time, using graphics. Yes, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So the next thing we are going to do is this. Come down here. You see font. Click on font. To left. Click alignment to left. So you can just adjust this. So the font size that I use, is 70. I use 72. So it's 70. So it's just the same thing. The font size that I use is 70. I use 70. So 70 is okay. So the color is black. So use the nudge to adjust the alignment small to make it beautiful. So we can leave it like that. It's okay like that. So this line, I want to change the color of that line to red. I think red is red that I use. Let me increase the weight to 10. The weight of the line to 10. To 10. Yes. Hope you can see this. Okay like that. It's okay like that. It's 10. So I want to make use of it again. So just duplicate, bring it down. So I want to adjust it small. Just to beautify our work. Hope you can see it. So make use of the nudge for alignment. Beautiful. Hope you can see it. Everything is well arranged. That is how I was able to achieve this. Let's check the what? Let's check the flyer. Hope you can see it. How beautiful it is. Hope you can see it. We are making progress. So we are almost done. So I'm trying as much as possible to explain it in a simple way that you can all get it. So that you can. So the next thing you want to put the location, the venue of the training. I hope you get something. So that's location. You click on this plus button here. Click on it. So you go to elements. You go to elements. You type location icon. You click on it. So it will bring in different icon for location. How you can see it, very beautiful. So and then one thing about Canva is that I'm using Pro version where when you register with your email address, the one you have access is the free one. So that's why I'm using this one. Anyone that you are using something like king, a crown, that's what a crown on top of it, where you are seeing this do stuff, you on your own, you will be seeing crown. That's pro. So in order for you to access it, you must what? You must pay. I think it's around, let's say, is it 3,000 plus for pro version? But if you need the pro version, you can ask me. But you don't need pro version for this one that we are still doing. So I'm using the free aspect. To this one is free, so I'm going to use the free icon, this one. So you click on it. I hope you can see it. I will change the color. That's the first thing I will do. I will change the color. You can change the color to my taste. So the color is red. I will change the color. I will change the color to red. Hope you can see that. And I will now adjust. You drag it down here. So you adjust it with this. This is what we use to adjust here, the edge. So you adjust, you click on it, it will adjust small, you drag it. So your icon must not be too big, it mustn't be big. You want to make your work to look professional. I want to do something that is very professional. I hope you get what I'm saying. So I hope you can see that. I hope you can see it. So I want to use the notch to bring it down small. I hope you can see it. That's beautiful. That's very, very beautiful and awesome. So the next thing you want to do is what? Is to type the venue. The venue is WhatsApp group. So just click on this, learn how to, and then duplicate it. So what you need to do is to edit it. You type WhatsApp group there. Edit it. You are getting it. Just follow this very well, and then you get it. That is how I was able to achieve this beautiful design. So type WhatsApp group. Bam. That's it. That is how I was able to achieve this beautiful flyer. So the next thing is just adjust it. I hope you can see it. You must make it align, so it's in the middle. It's okay like that. So I just want to bold it to I want it to show small. It's okay like that. It's okay, perfect. I hope you can see it. Very beautiful. So the next thing is what? To bring the icon of what? Of call. Yes, one phone number. So phone number icon. So you come down here, you type that it is element. It on the area. See. So I just want to so you don't want to make any. I hope you get some. So I just want to you can hope you element here. You can see the element. So that's what I want. So you got phone number. Did for location icon. So phone icon rather. Phone icon. So you see it, click on it. So using free, everything that I'm using for you is free. I'm using free icon here. How you can see, you have what? You have many icons here that you can use for icon. Beautiful. How you can see it. So you can use anyone. You can use anyone you like, anyone you want. So let me use this free one. You click on it. I hope you can see it. So I want to change the color. I want to change the color. I want to change the color to red. So you it using my phone. I hope you can see it. Very beautiful. I hope you can see it. Very beautiful. You can see change the what the second color to white. Yes, you can use one. That we can change it, but I don't really need the one with that. I think that's not the one that I use. Let me use the one that I use. Let me check it. Let me check it. Let me use the one that I use. Okay, I hope you can see it. Let me use the one that I use. So you click on it again. Sorry. So use free one. No, that one is promo. Sorry, I want to use free one. I want to use free one. This is not what I want to use. I'm sorry. I want to use the free one that I use. Free one. That's what I want to use. I want to use the free one. I want to use the free one. I want to use the free one. Alright, so let's make use of this one. So, because I don't want to waste our time. So I think the network is doing somehow. So sorry for that.